People who are lifting weights, this is where you need to come for that so-called protein. Greetings brothers and sisters, 𝐸𝐸 here from Eat to Live Not to Die. Now, here is iron in its raw form, chlorophyll, iron phosphate. This is where silverback gorillas, elephants, turtles, the biggest, the strongest, the oldest animals in the world get their powers. Where did these animals eat from? The ground. The turtles all the way there on the ground. The silverback gorilla eats from the ground, eats from the shrubs, eats berries. This is how our plates need to be looking. Not meat is 90% and the 10% is greens. No, we need to reverse it. People who are lifting weights, this is where you need to come for that so-called protein. So how do we cook this now? I'm gonna show you. We're gonna wash it and then we're gonna chop it up and then we're gonna cook it. When you go outside in nature, look on the floor and I guarantee you will see some dandelion greens. But you can't go and get your dandelion greens from somewhere that's busy, somewhere where dogs and cars and no. Go to rural areas of the world. You have to go to the places where human beings don't go to go and find these types of things. But you can tell that Mother Nature wanted us to consume dandelion greens because you find it everywhere on the planet Earth. They call this a weed. This is not a weed. This is food. This is nourishment. This is revitalization. Do you understand? So people that are looking for strength, looking for power, looking for endurance, looking for energy, this is what you need in your salad every single day. First, I'm gonna chop off the ends. For my African brothers and sisters, I'm from Nigeria, so I know about all the vegetable soups out there, but you're making them with the wrong oils and you're making them with the wrong leaves. Some of the leaves are okay, in fact. Bitter leaf is okay. The watercress, water leaf soup is okay. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿, the afang, the 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿. All of these things can be made but using alkaline ingredients. Go foraging, look into foraging. Be familiar with the planet. You can name 24 brands, but you can't name 24 plants in your local area. Think about it, man. When you're walking around or even driving around, pay attention to Mother Nature, because the things that is in abundance, the things that are everywhere, those are the things that Mother Nature wants you to look at. Those are the things that Mother Nature wants you to pay attention to, and those are the things that Mother Nature might want you to eat the most, because it is there in abundance. I've chopped up the dandelion greens. Now I'm going to prepare the base. This is going to be the base. Thyme, about 700 grams of cherry tomatoes. Let's say 2 bunches of spring onions, thyme, sea salt, and oregano and some basil. I'm gonna put all of this into the blender, including all those ingredients. Or you could just get yourself some all seasoning from our website, 𝐸𝐸𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷.com. And you don't want to blend it too liquidy. You want it to be a little bit bitsy. Pour that into the pot. We're using the salad master. You let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you add the dandelion greens or any other greens that you can find that is alkaline, or mix them all together. Simple like that. And then we're gonna cook the mushrooms and then pour that straight into here as well when the mushrooms are done. I had some pre-cooked chickpeas in the fridge, so I'm deciding to just throw that into there as well. You can throw whatever you want that's alkaline into your soup. Mushrooms is the new meat. I repeat, mushrooms is the new meat. I know there's a lot of people out there that don't like mushrooms, but mushrooms are the flesh of the earth. They can replace your chicken. This is how you do it. Very simple, very easy. Watch. So you wash your mushrooms like this, okay? You wash the mushrooms, and then what you do, you squeeze out any of the excess liquid in the mushrooms, and you put it on your chopping board. These are oyster mushrooms. Mushrooms is a product of mycelium. They help to heal your brain. They help to reconnect neurons inside of your brain. That's why the top of the mushrooms look like the dome, the head. So now, all you're gonna do, you're just gonna chop down your mushrooms. Yeah? And now, you season your mushrooms with either basil, thyme, dill, onion powder if you want, or just normal spring onions, sage, clove, and add some sea salt. Or you can go and get the all seasoning. Or you can link my brother, Organic Transformer, for the jerk seasoning. Any one of us, all right? So I'm gonna use my seasoning today. Watch. Sprinkle some over it. I'd say about 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. And then you mix it up. You can even do this while the mushrooms was in the pot. This white bowl could have been the pot. Sorry, could have been the pan. And I would have done the same thing, but with the spatula, but I'm just using my hand now, innit? And then after this, you're slapping this straight into the pan, and you're frying this in grapeseed oil or avocado oil until it's golden brown, and it's done. A simple process. Everyone is looking for flavor. If not for flavor, you wouldn't like the meat, you wouldn't like the pork, you wouldn't like the shrimp, you wouldn't like the lobster, you wouldn't like the chicken. Everyone's chasing flavor, and ironically, the flavors come from Mother Nature's kitchen. The thyme, the basil, the sea salt, all of this comes from Mother Nature, but you're using her seasoning to season her dead animals that you killed. Crazy. Fonio swallow, powerful, full of iron, one of the best grains in the world, the seed of the universe. And that's the end product, brothers and sisters. Electric food for the electric body. Perfect for transitioning Africans. So this is the alkaline alternative to the African staple food. You can still eat the way you eat traditionally. I'm an African man, I'm from Nigeria, so this is heartfelt food right here. All available in the new cookbook, Cook with MUTULU. Everything you need. You see it there? It's all there, brothers and sisters. Proper electric food for the electric body. Our iron flooring loose leaf tea is available at 𝐸𝐴𝐷𝑇𝐿ive.com amongst many other products. And we would like to say thank you to everyone who has supported us. Love.